I don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast because we Anioma people are not one people within the Igbo in the southeast, says a man from Ibusa. Few days ago, I was passing on bike. Then someone called me. The person was saying, "When Aje is a person." I stopped. The person happens to be a fan. So the person introduced himself saying that he's from Osisa community in Okwane land. Osisa is my mother's village. And after that, the Okwane man started telling me that we Okwane people, we are Igbo people, we are one people with our brothers in the southeast, that we want Anioma State for we and our brothers in the southeast to live and coexist as one people, that Anioma State will bring development to Okwane land, that Anioma people are the major people that will benefit from this Anioma State, that we should ignore those people from Anioma that are saying they don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. And as we were talking, a man was passing. The man now stopped and said that he see me on Facebook, that what he wants to tell me is that he don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. And I asked him why. His reply was that the Igbos in the southeast are not to be trusted, that they are not good, that they are greedy people, that they are this, that they are that. The young man told me that he was brought up in Lagos State, that his wife is from Oka in Anambra State. He said that after he came back from Lagos and started living in the southeast, that he started having issues, that the economy of the southeast is very bad, this, that. And I asked him, where did Ibusa people migrate from? He told me, that is not what we are talking about. We are not talking about that one. He said, we are not one people with the southeast. And I asked him, are Ibusa people Igbo people? He said no, that Ibusa people are not Igbo people. And after that, he left. The Okwane man was telling me, don't mind him. These ones don't have direction in life. Don't mind him. There's a woman around that place, and the woman told me, don't mind this set of people. Ibusa people are Igbo people. Ibusa people are of Igbo origin. They speak Igbo language. These are the set of Ibusa people that are going about saying that Ibusa people are not Igbo people. The man that said that he don't want Anioma State to join the southeast, he is from Ibusa community. He said Ibusa is not Igbo. Can you imagine? These kind of people are the reason why we are here educating our people. He's saying that the southeast is greedy. Are Ibusa people not greedy? Nowhere where greedy people not dey. Nowhere where bad people not dey. But saying that the entire southeast are greedy people, that means person when they talk that not get sense. Just imagine an Ibusa person whose ancestors migrated from Isu in Imo State is here saying that Ibusa people are not Igbo people. Ibusa community have two major ancestors, Isu and Nri. Every other village in Ibusa migrated from Isu in Imo State. Only Oboli village in Ibusa migrated from Nri. Oboli and Ogwashuku migrated the same time. The founder of Oboli and Ogwashuku were walking that path, and Oboli settled in Oboli village in Ibusa, and Adaibo went further and settled in Ogwashuku. And that is why Ogwashuku people will tell you that they and Oboli people in Ibusa are brothers. What is the name of Ibusa community? Igbo Binuzo. Igbo wey live for road. And you will see some people from Ibusa will come out and be saying rubbish online, saying nonsense with boldness. As they talk nonsense online, they talk nonsense offline, like that man where I see a few days ago, saying that Ibusa people are not Igbo people. Any Ibusa person that is coming out to say that Ibusa people are not Igbo people, that Ibusa person is an Ozwai, not get sense. The history of Ibusa is so obvious. Ibusa history not dey hide. Ibusa is called Ibusa Isu. That word Isu is where they came from. Isu people are majorly found in Imo State. There's a primary school in Ibusa called Ibusa and Anioma. That word Isu is so rampant in Ibusa. Ibusa Isu and Anioma. And someone from Ibusa have the guts to come out with his dirty mouth. They thought say Ibusa is not Igbo. If to say now some people from Ika land, from Okwanela, where they thought say the ancestors come from Benin. The ancestors they be Igbo name, but they thought say the ancestors are Benin people. And that one would allow us they talk. We will call the tell and say your ancestors don't bear Benin name. What are the circumstances that made them to leave that Idu land to their present location? What are their names? What are the meanings of their names in Benin language? That is how we can convince these people and make them see the truth, make them see the fact that their ancestors are Igbo people that left Idu land to their present location. But the history of Ibusa did not say that Ibusa people migrated from Benin. The history of Ibusa did not say that Ibusa people are separate people from the southeast. It did not say that Ibusa people are separate people from Igbo. Ibusa history said that Ibusa people are Igbo people that migrated from Isu. The Obusa of Ibusa told us that Ibusa community migrated from Isu. Every elderly man in Ibusa, if you ask him where Ibusa from come, he could tell you say Ibusa people migrated from Isu. Anioma people are not Igbo people. Anioma people are not brothers with the southeast. The southeast is too greedy. Anioma is not greedy. The Obusa of Ibusa is the chairman of technical committee for the creation of Anioma State. And this boy from Ibusa, when not knowing left to right, they tell say, you know what, make Anioma State join the southeast. Some Anioma people will be telling you, the southeast is greedy. The way they play politics is very bad. Every political decision where southeast they take. Now, politics where we say, you go favor their region. We where they south. Which politics our politicians they play, where go better our land. As e be say, we Anioma people not dey southeast. Now why e be say the kind of politics we play here is not the same with their own. We are in different geopolitical zones. Shey that we dey talk say politics wey northern Nigeria dey play dey very bad. We dey talk say northerners are doing Muslim tickets, make they occupy power. We dey talk say their politics not good. Say that they try to dominate the entire country. They want make people say power dey their hand. Have the southeast ever played a politics that is against Anioma people? No. So why are they saying that the southeast is greedy? They are selfish. They are this. They are that. Good people are everywhere. Bad people are everywhere. That's where that guy they talk now. He dey very bad. And if he meet Anioma person where he be say that person, the way they reason to all of them are the same thing. People know the reason fine. They will propagate that thing. Southeast is bad. Like saying Anioma not bad. You go see somebody from Okwane will say, the southeast is bad. They are so greedy. Okwane politicians are the most greedy politicians in the south. People where say they don't even fit give their people light. They don't fit give their people good road. They don't fit give their people development. The most wicked politicians in these Delta states are Okwane politicians. And you go see one idiot from Okwane go open mouth and say the southeast politicians are greedy. We cannot coexist with them. Your own politician not fit do your life better. Federal university will not get, state you will not get, road will not get, no single flyover in Okwane land. Okwane not get road. Nothing is working in Okwane land. Okwane land is just like refugee camp. And you go see some idiots from that place go open mouth and say the southeast are greedy. The southeast are selfish. Talk your own. Learn how to talk your own. All Anioma people know how to do is to blame. Now on a cause Biafra war, now on a see they blame the southeast. Southeast carry war come. Una now they talk about Karuna and Zog on a brother. Where go they kill northerners? They kill people during the 1966 coup. He killed the Sarona of Sokoto. Una now they talk about all I know how to do. During the Asaba massacre, Asaba people were killed. Ishago people were killed. Anioma people suffered during the war. The southeast left us behind. Southeast is greedy. They are selfish. Now una not selfish for Okwane land. Come Okwane land, we know they help ourselves. If you see any wealthy man for Okwane land to help another Okwane person, a problem. The ones where they politics, if you enter their office, speak Okwane for them, they go to look you like say be mad person. You go to speak Okwane, they give them. They go to speak English, they give you. And now go see they come out, they talk say the southeast is greedy, they are selfish. They are greedy, they are selfish, and they are better than us. They don't depend on crude oil to grow. They are the ones building their region. You say they are greedy, they are selfish. Then they build their region. We Okwane people, we cannot even build Okwane land without crude oil. We dey beg federal government make you come grow our place. Go Anambra State, you go see one big man go tie the whole road where they in community. How many people feed one for Okwane land? If not be Friday Abacha, where they do one for Mokwata in community. Tell me any other community for Okwane land where you see one big man go come tie the whole road where they in community. If the man say they tie, now the same Okwane people go come, they tell federal government say, person they tie our road, who send them? Who send them? Now you they spoil your place not good. You are the enemy of your own land. You they carry them out, they go, they tell artist people say that they selfie, that they greedy. Roads where they award for Ibusa. Some Ibusa politicians, they go they chop the money. They go walk road today. Next week, the road go spoil. They go tie like the whole street like this. The road not even reach 1 month, it don't spoil. Is that not greedy? Is that not selfishness? They go give you enough money, walk road. You go pack all the money, put for your pocket, carry some thing, they walk road. Every month, now they take a walk road for this Ibusa. Is that not greediness? If not be greediness, why Ibusa not get good road? And Anioma people, stop blaming the Southeast for your problem. Blame yourself. Now why we not sabi import anything? Nothing we sabi work for here. We dey hear of Aba made. Have you ever heard of Aba made? Have you ever heard of Ogume made? Have you ever heard of Nsukwa made? Have you ever heard of Ibusa made? We not sabi anything. All we know how to do is to blame. And now why the enemies of Igbo nation, they use some people from Anioma wey no get sense. They fight Southeast. They go dey use na saboteur. Because you are blaming the Southeast for your problem. Instead of grabbing your problem in the horn. Grab the bull by the horn. No. Southeast is greedy. They are selfish. Your own land for Anioma, you not fit grow your own land. Looking for people to blame everywhere. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the Southeast. Whether anyone from Anioma likes it or not. We not go take because of those ignorant people where this Anioma lose this slot that was given to us by our Southeast brothers. You they carry yourself, they compare Southeast where take their hand, they build their region. The Southeast is the only region in Nigeria that are building their place with their hands, single-handedly. No region for Nigeria they do am. Go and verify. Have you ever heard that Anioma people are the ones building their place? Okwane people they crying, hey, we not get like to, we not get this one, we not get that one, and they get government to blame game. All we know how to do is to blame. If to say we Anioma people they part of Southeast since the creation of Nigeria, Anioma land for don't develop past like this. Our Southeast brothers are developers. They go teach us waiting we not know. This business where they do where we not sabi for Anioma land, we go start to the do am. How many Anioma people are importing goods from China? You don't want to join the Southeast. Like saying are you good? Like saying are you better pass? Those Anioma people that have that mindset, make una comot that mentality from una brain. That is the mentality of a failure. He go Southeast, he not fit make am. He talk say, na Southeast na dey cause am. Wetin pursue am comot from Lagos? Why not dey in Lagos make am for Lagos? There are people that they cannot make it in Anambra State. If they go Enugu, they go make am for Enugu. If they go Ebonyi State, they go make am for Ebonyi State. If they go Imo State, they go make am for Imo State. If they go Abia State, they go make am for Abia State. E get people for Lagos where be say, if they leave Lagos, come Asaba, they go make am for Asaba. If they go Anambra State, they go make am for Anambra State. So life is like that. No talk say because of say you fail for this place, then now that place they do you. Anioma State is a battle that we Anioma people must fight and make sure that we achieve it. And zone to the Southeast. Anioma State should not be zoned to the Southeast. Like say Ibusa get crude oil to finance Anioma State. One drop Ibusa not get. If to say so many of our Okwane people know themselves, you know go see them, they come out and talk say they don't want Anioma State for Southeast. They go shut up their mouth, support the creation of Anioma State. Make we join our brothers in the Southeast. Make we Okwane people take that resources, develop our land. But because of emotion, because of identity crisis, because of propaganda where they don't hear finish, they start to thought say they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. If we not join Southeast, how are we going to get Anioma State? National Assembly thought say no only Southeast they won't give states. They talk say no state will be created for South. Yet some Okwane people are saying they don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. This one from Ibusa, when on the left and right, they thought say Anioma State should be created and kept in the South. People will just be coming out to say rubbish. They don't know the kind of politics where they play. They don't know what thing they happen. If to say they give a slot for the South and the Southeast, say hey. But this one, there is nothing meant for the South. Then make we take, because of say you don't make Anioma State to join Southeast, make we can't give up on the creation of Anioma State. Anybody wey be say no make Anioma State join Southeast, they wasting time. We will never work with the opinion of people that don't mean well for we Anioma people. Anybody wey no make Anioma State join Southeast, that person not like Okwane people, because now we Okwane people they suffer pass for this Anioma land. The other time, one woman from Okwana said that he don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. Southeast people, the way that they do this, that. We asked her, why don't you want Anioma State to join the Southeast? She said that is just how she felt. Because of Kaduna Zogo from Okwana, 3.something million Igbos were killed. And you go see some people from Okwana go come out with their dirty mouths. They thought, say, let's not join the Southeast. Because of the Southeast, we were killed during the Biafra war. Now the lack of unity we get for Igbo land, I make our land there as it is. So this one go to talk, go this one, this one go to talk, go this side. If to say that this Ibusa guy be the governor of Delta State now, he go follow for those politicians where they fight against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State, because they not get sense. Anioma State must be actualized and zoned to the Southeast, and there is nothing any politician or common people from Anioma land can do about it. Write it down. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the Southeast, and there is nothing anyone from Anioma can do about it. If we create Anioma State zone and go Southeast, if you know one day for Anioma land because I say the Southeast, come out for Anioma land, go Ile-Ife, go stay. You can go and live in Yoruba land. We don't care. If you want loss. We the good people of Anioma, we must get Anioma State and coexist with our brothers in the Southeast. We want to hug our brothers and live like one people. Majority is strength, unity is power. Ishiagware.